Hello children, today we will start new chapter heat. It is the last and second chapter of semester second. First of all, we should know about what is the heat. Heat is a form of energy. It can be understood by some common experience in our daily life. For example, on rubbing our palms, they get heated. On passing electric current in a metallic wire, the wire gets heated. On burning coal, we get heat. All these cases, heat is produced either by the doing work or by providing energy in some form other than heat. On rubbing palms, heat is produced by doing work, that is from mechanical energy, while on passing current in metallic wire, heat is obtained from electrical energy, and on burning coal, heat is obtained from chemical energy. Thus, heat is also form of energy. Now, question is, how does heat flow? Heat energy always flow from body at higher temperature to body at a lower temperature when brought in contact. When we touch any body, we find that it is hot because our body is comparatively colder than that body, and heat energy flow from that object to our body. Similarly, when we touch a cold object, transfer of heat is take place from our body to that object. So we can say heat energy always flow from body to higher temperature to the lower temperature, and there is no flow of heat energy between two objects at the same temperature. Now, units of heat. Heat is form of energy. The unit of heat is same as that of the energy. The SI unit of the heat is joule. Other unit of heat are calorie and kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 calorie. Okay. The unit calorie and joule are related as 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Children, you have also studied in chapter energy. Now, what is the calorie? A calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. And what is the kilocalorie? 1 kilocalorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 kg of water by 1 degree centigrade. Children, 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule means the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade is 4.186 joule. It is a relationship between the calorie and joule. Now, next topic is sources of heat. The main sources of heat are sun, electricity, and fire. Fire. What is the fire? Fire is a rapid chemical reaction, also known as the combustion, in which heat and light are given off. There are substances which, when heated in air, catch fire. On this property, substance can be grouped into two parts: inflammable substance, non-flammable substances. Children, you should know about ignition temperature. What is the ignition temperature? The minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire and start burning is known as its ignition temperature. Children, fire needs oxygen and some kind of fuel such as candle wax, wood, LPG and gasoline. When a fuel burns, its molecule combine with the oxygen and releasing energy as light and heat. First, we will discuss about inflammable substances. Substances that catch fire easily is called as inflammable substance, such as substance combine rapidly with the oxygen and release large amount of heat and light energy. For example, dry paper, dry leaves, dry wood, dry cloth, petrol, kerosene oil, etc. Now, second one, non-flammable substances. Substances that do not catch fire easily are called non-flammable substances. Some common examples of non-flammable substances are metal, stone, alloy, bricks, asbestos and water, etc. Now, next topic is fire safety. Fire is a rapid chemical reactions, so it produces large amount of heat and light. So we need to take some precautions while handling fire. First one, any inflammable objects such as plastic, wood, cloths and paper should not be left close to the fire or electric switches. LPG gas pipes, cylinders, regulators should be checked regularly for any leakage. Now next topic is effect of heat. Heat can be causes many changes in object. First one, change in temperature, change in size, change in state. Now first we will be discuss about change in temperature. Children, when heat is supplied in an object, there is usually a rise in a temperature of that object. Similarly, when an object is cooled, its temperature usually decreases. Thus, the amount of heat gained or lost by an object can usually be found by measuring the change in the temperature of the object. What is the temperature? How it is measured? The measure of the degree of hotness and coldness of a body is called as its temperature. Temperature is generally measured in the degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit. Now, temperature and its measurement. The measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called its temperature. Temperature is generally measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. The device used to measure the temperature of an object is called a thermometer. Temperature scale, there are three different scale to measure temperature. First one, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. First one, Celsius scale. In the Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degree centigrade and upper fixed point is 100 degree centigrade, and the length of the thermometer between lower fixed point and the upper fixed point is divided into 100 equal parts. Next, Fahrenheit scale. In the Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 degree Fahrenheit, in upper fixed point is 212 degree Fahrenheit, and the length of the thermometer between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point is divided into 180 equal parts. Now next, Kelvin scale. In the Kelvin scale, the lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin and upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin, and the length of the thermometer between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed points is divided into 100 equal parts. Now children, read activity first yourself and try to understand conversion of Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale, and second topic, conversion of Celsius scale to Kelvin scale. Okay, and try to solve example 1 and 2 yourself. Next video we will discuss about these two topics and solve exercise. Okay, thank you.